Dearest friends at Al-Haq, as the Secretary General of Amnesty International, it gives me great pleasure to send our colleagues at Al-Haq a big congratulations on behalf of our movement for your 40th anniversary. Being the oldest human rights organization in Palestine and one of the first established in the Arab world, Al-Haq has continuously shown that it's a pioneer and a leader of human rights work in Palestine, presenting a model for other regions in the world, and people have been inspired globally by your track record and your achievements. Amnesty, as I'm sure other human rights organizations, have relied and continue to depend on Al-Haq to analyze the reality in the occupied Palestinian territories and map the way towards the fulfillment of human rights to all the people who live there. This, which we recognize as a continuing and unfortunately perpetuating struggle that we have all committed ourselves to, working together to see the change we want. Al-Haq's journey, reflective of the ruthless reality that Palestinians live under Israel's military occupation, has been marked by many successes and many more extreme and dangerous challenges. Attacks such as the use of administrative detention and travel bans against your staff has only worked to show how significant your work has been in the face of tyranny. Today, as Israel's military occupation continues relentlessly and its system of institutionalized discrimination is cemented against Palestinians, your work becomes more difficult, yet ever more crucial. But we recognize that within the brutal context in which you work, you also face a new set of challenges, marked by smear campaigns and attempts to stop support that you receive. Attempts are being made to shrink the already small space that you have carved out in order to carry out human rights work in the region. Today, on behalf of Amnesty, I assure you that we will face and see these forces defeated together. On your 40th anniversary, we stand with you in full solidarity, and we commit to you and ourselves that we will not stand by idly and will act proactively against those attempting to stop you and other defenders from doing human rights work. Our message today should be heard loud and clear. Human rights is the way towards justice, peace, and all the other aspirations that people look to achieve. Human rights defenders such as Al-Haq are the ones charting that path. Human rights campaigning, including the advocating for boycotts, divestments, and sanctions, is protected freedom of expression. We all have a responsibility to ensure you are supported and protected. I'm reminded today of Mandela when he said, "We know too well that our freedom is incomplete without the freedom of Palestinians." In this spirit, I say that attacks on you are attacks on all of us, and your celebration today is also the celebration of human rights activists around the world. Happy birthday, Al-Haq. Thank you, shukran, merci beaucoup.